So all of those various elements all come down to this. The veal, which I'm going to slice. And the idea of the veal is to slice it Orloff style, as they say. That's a joke. There's no such thing as Orloff style. But I'll just show you the idea here is to slice the veal. And then I made some smashed roasted potatoes, and I made some long Chinese green beans. And now what you do is you take a little of the rice and put it right there, and then you take a little of the mushroom and you put it right there so that they are both on there. And then you take another slice of the Orloff and you put it right like that. And you continue.
So on.
And so on and so on. And you just add more rice and more mushroom. You get the idea. At the end of the day, we are going to have an entire platter of Orloff.
Orloff.
We will have a complete Orloff, veal Prince Orloff. And when all of the Orloff is placed on the platter, we are going to put sauce on it. So we'll see you in a minute.
All right.